Good morning, SK. I'm Russ.
And I'm Kayla.
I like your jersey.
I like yours too. Who would have thought we'd been wearing jerseys on the same day?
Well, it is Jersey Day.
Oh, yeah.
Well, we have a lot to cover in today's news, so let's just get right into it.
Why don't you start us off?
Spirit Week is almost over. With tomorrow being the last day, tomorrow is as follows. The last day of the week is Ocean Color Wars. Freshmen wear purple, sophomores wear green, juniors wear white, and seniors wear blue. Make sure you rep your class and earn your class some spirit points by dressing up. Are you planning on going to homecoming this Saturday? The last day to buy your tickets is tomorrow. No more sales after 3. So make sure you buy your ticket now for $12 with ASB and $14 without. Do you have your digital ID? If not, get it from the Minga app. Check-in for the dance is all digital, so have your phone ready with the app when you show up. If you bought your tickets, this icon on screen will be on your ID, helping you get in with ease. Here is where you'll be sitting at the pep assembly tomorrow. Juniors and seniors on the small bleachers, while sophomores and freshmen will be on the big bleachers with the band in the middle. Today is the last day to vote for homecoming royalty. Luckily, we have your homecoming court.
Hi, my name is Blake Jackson and I climb trees.
I'm Addie Glazner, and a cool fact about me is that I met Macklemore.
My name is Elena Bakal, and my fun fact is I'm assistant director for 12 Play.
Hi, I'm Sophia Kimmery, and a fun fact about myself is last year I choreographed a Broadway show.
Hi, I'm Elise Wells, and something really cool about me is I have a St. Bernard puppy and a Boston Terrier.
I'm Jay Rivers-Keating. Something fun about me is I'm in bands.
Hi, my name is Reese Wilson, and a fun fact about me is that my favorite color is pink.
Hi, I'm Chase Eaglin, and I put out a forest fire in my backyard.
My name's John Gosser, and I can squat 520 pounds.
Hi, my name is Audrey Ames, and a fun fact about me is that I hold an All-American title for 3 years in cheerleading.
I'm Sean Vanover, and something about me is that I want to pursue a PhD in physics.
My name is Kennedy Rowan, and a fun fact about me is that I love the Revolutionary War.
I'm Stormy White, and a fun fact about me is I own the tallest shoes at South Kitsap High School.
My name is Katie Blackburn, and one cool fact about me is I'm running for President of the United States in 2044.
Voting ends today, so make sure to vote. Tomorrow is going to be really different with the pep assembly and half day. It won't be an A day or a B day, but it'll be an SK day. What does that mean? Firstly, the day starts at the normal 7:25 in your first block classroom. Once attendance is taken, freshmen will go to the gym for a presentation. Seniors will have their own presentation in the theater. Everyone else will stay in their first block classrooms until 8:25. After a short passing, everyone will then be in their second block classrooms. Most of the time will be for Zello work, but some grades will have different things to work on. Also, juniors will be watching and voting for their treasurer. Finally, at 9:40, we'll all be in the gym for the first pep assembly of the year. That will go up to 10:40, which will be the end of the school day. A reminder for if you need a ride to ride a different bus tomorrow, only written notes will be accepted. So make sure you get your parent or guardian to write you one, as emails will not be accepted. This applies to all early release days. A big thing about tomorrow is you will need your Chromebook. So tonight, make sure you have it fully charged. Again, you will need your Chromebook tomorrow. We'll say it again at the end of the show as well.
Back into more homecoming news, let's talk about the game itself. The theme for the game is Wear White. Since tomorrow is a half day, you'll have enough time to head home and change for the game. The best way to get into the game if you have ASB is with the Minga app. Yep, we're talking about it again. Just make your life easier and get it ASAP. If you don't have ASB, it will be $7 at the gate. Remember, when you come to any SK home game in the gym or on the field, you cannot bring a backpack with you. Also, outside food and drinks are not allowed. Finally, if you choose to leave, you will not be allowed back in. But why would you leave early? Remember, homecoming royalty will be crowned during halftime. You have just over 24 hours to be in our broadcast tomorrow night. Send us a clip using the hashtag SKTV_shout and we will air it during the game. But what does a shout look like? Kind of like this.
Wolfpack! What do we do? Die! Who are we? Wolfpack! What do we do? Die! Wolfpack! 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 1, 2, 3.
Let's go, SK. Let's try to get that win tonight, boys. Play as hard as you can. Leave it out on the field. Landon Kirby, play your best. Your family's watching, cheering you on. We love you and have a good game. Let's go, Wolves.
Go Monday, Johnson! Always
After all of that, let's get into the rest of the news. Pink Pura Vida bracelets are still on sale now. You can get them at the ASB office during non-class time for $7. Proceeds will go to the National Breast Cancer Foundation. If you didn't get your picture taken or just want to get your picture retaken, photographers will be here tomorrow. Last night, volleyball faced Puyallup. Each team had a hard time against them. For varsity, 5 players had 3 kills each in a balanced attack. Fran had 14 assists and Analia had 12 digs.
Seniors who plan on going to Wazoo, see your counselor to apply for the Regent Scholarship. This is a $4,000 scholarship renewable for 4 years. The application deadline is next Friday, so make sure you see your counselor ASAP. Stopping by the Career Center today is Southern Oregon University and Carroll College. Sign up in the Career Center to attend. In club news, psychology is not meeting today. Advocates of Human Rights, formerly known as Builders of Unity, will meet next Friday. The clubs meeting today are Shades of Color in room 341 and Ceramics in 263, which are both having their first meetings. Also meeting today is Spanish, who will be playing the Mexican bingo game called Loteria, and the other clubs for today are 3D Wit, Art, DECA, German, Interact, and Japanese. There shouldn't be any clubs meeting tomorrow, but if your club normally meets on Friday, please check with your advisor.
Well, that's it for today's show.
Oh, before we end it for real, we have a small reminder for tomorrow.
You guessed it, bring your Chromebook. You won't be needing anything else.
So pack light, but not too light.
Well, now let's actually end the show.
Agreed.
Have a good day, South.
Director, roll it.